Iqbal's message for the youth of Pakistan remains a beacon of hope and empowerment. He saw in them the leaders, the builders of his Pakistan. Iqbal saw boundless potential in every young soul. He believed that helping the heart, create girls' hearts, to shape their destiny and prepare forward that path of progress, faith,